Hello again, everyone. This antique printing machine, before printing, needs to apply pink ink evenly to the hardboard first, using rollers. Then, using the letterpress method, arrange the content in the mold, and you can print a very vintage-looking pattern. Using a spray gun, first apply a layer of slow-drying primer to the surface of the object. Then cover it with a layer of quick-drying paint. And you can get a lightning crack guitar with a unique artistic sense. I'm blown away. Handheld pool vacuum cleaner, with the powerful suction generated by the submersible pump, quickly removes dirt from the bottom of the pool. This pool of old water is estimated to be able to soak for another 2 years. The river cleaning boat works in coordination with a collection device and conveyor belt. Can effectively reduce the risk of garbage clogging the river. Ensure navigational safety. Self-priming water trash can. It uses the negative pressure principle in the bucket to form a vortex system on the water surface, so as to collect the garbage in the water into the bucket. Install tire baffles for cars. Can reduce the risk of red gas being crushed. At the same time, it can also protect your own wallet. Fully automatic pipe cleaning machine, using a rotating high-pressure water jet, can efficiently clean in narrow or difficult-to-reach pipes. I heard that it had been snowing and the temperature has dropped recently. Our mother's large snow removal equipment is already eager to move. The people who are still fantasizing about a snow-covered city can wake up. A multi-nozzle road washing machine can greatly improve road cleaning efficiency. The vibrating tree shaker can not only be used to pick fruits, but is also the nemesis of fallen leaves in the city. Installing a screw drill bit for an excavator can quickly split trees into small pieces. This facilitates subsequent handling and processing. Handheld hydraulic pruning shears. With the strong power provided by the hydraulic pump, it can quickly cut and repair various branches of different thicknesses. Crocodile-type hydraulic shearing machine. It can easily cut scrap metal into small sections or fragments for subsequent processing and reuse. This wig sewing machine can quickly realize the hair implantation for dolls. Using materials like wax or sealant, seal the tip of a ballpoint pen to reduce leakage and damage during transportation or storage. A pencil grinding machine can also be understood as a bow and fork pencil sharpener. This is not the manufacturing process of safety products, but a modern food processing equipment called a fully automatic sausage stuffer. Using a carrier and a sliding cutting table, it can quickly divide ice cubes with regular shapes. The factory packaging box folding machine can greatly reduce labor costs. The processing process of a cardboard box sealing machine. Finally, a reminder to everyone. The day of collecting retirement money and enjoying life is one day closer.